Top tourist attractions in the United Arab Emirates. Sheikh Zayed Mosque. Your holiday in the United Arab Emirates wouldn't be complete without a visit to the historic Sheikh Zayed Mosque. Wait. While enjoying this video, please subscribe to our channel. Burj Khalifa. Get ready to admire the beauty of Dubai from the highest observation deck in the world. Palm Jumeirah. Get to Palm Jumeirah and witness lavish resorts, fine dining, and captivating views of the Arabian Gulf. Downtown Dubai. Don't forget to say hello to the unofficial heart of the city. Downtown Dubai is your gateway to both old and new Dubai. Dubai Miracle Garden. The Dubai Miracle Garden is a nature lover's dream come true. Here flowers bloom in captivating patterns and whimsical displays. The Arabian Desert. Dive into the rich Emirati culture, witness the desert landscape and find your adventure as you take a desert safari. Louvre Abu Dhabi. If you do not want to miss the artistic side of the United Arab Emirates, this is where you should be. Hajar Mountains. It can be hiking, climbing, or even birdwatching. The Hajar Mountains makes your road trip magnificent. Dubai Creek. Cruise along Dubai Creek and admire the city's enchanting skylines. It's sure to be the perfect end to your day. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Let us know which attraction caught your eye. Comment below. And don't forget to subscribe our channel to watch more interesting and latest videos.